Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Viber and tapping settings, then account, so the app can access your backup target. Link the exact Google or iCloud account you want to use. This ensures continuity across devices. Once linked, enable chat backup and pick a frequency, manual for control, daily or weekly for automation. Make sure you have enough cloud space and a stable Wi-Fi connection, otherwise backups stall. Start the first manual backup now, so you create a baseline copy before any further changes. Now refine what you actually save. Enable include videos only if those files are essential because media balloons backup size and time. Use export chat for a single thread when you need readable archives. Viber creates a zip with messages and media or a TXT log for text only. Check the last backup time and total storage reported in account to confirm success. If it shows pending, retry under different network conditions. Once done, verify the cloud file exists so you avoid surprises. To restore, install Viber, sign in with the same phone number and the same cloud account you use for backup, and when prompted, tap Restore. Be patient, large backups take time, and Viber may re-download media after messages appear. If the restore doesn't start or stops, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi, that cloud credentials are correct, and that you have sufficient free storage. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggle Viber backups off and on, then create a fresh manual backup before attempting restore again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.